Hello student, I Soumen sir, lecturer in mechanical engineering. Today we are going to learn copper and its alloy and also composition, properties and application of important copper alloy such as brass, munch metal, gun metal, bones, etc. Now, introduction to copper and its alloy. Copper, a versatile metal known for its excellent electrical conductivity and corrosion resistance. Used extensively in various industries due to its desirable properties. Copper also has thermal conductivity, making it ideal for electrical wiring and heat exchanger. Copper forms a protective layer of copper oxide which prevents corrosion and increases its durability. Copper is highly malleable and ductile. Now, alloy, copper alloy. Copper forms alloy with other metals to increase specific properties. Common alloy includes brass, munch metal, gun metal, bones, etc. Okay. Now, composition, properties and application of brass. It is an important copper alloy. Composition of brass mainly composed of copper Cu and zinc Zn. Zinc content varies typically from 5% to 45%. Properties: good corrosion resistance. Brass is highly resistant to corrosion, especially from water. Brass malleability and ductility properties. Brass is easily safe and drawn into wire or sheet without breaking. Low friction and good sound quality. The material also low friction properties make it suitable for use in gears, lock and bearing. Shiny and attractive. Brass produces a clear and resonant sound. For this, it is used for musical instrument, good sound quality, and it is gold-like shine. Okay. Application of brass material, musical instrument such as horn, bells, and many others. Plumbing fittings and valve, decorative items and jewelry. Okay. Now, composition, properties and application of munch metal. Composition of munch metal. Copper alloy Cu and zinc Zn typically contain 60% copper and 40% zinc. Properties of munch metal: greater strength and hardness compared to brass, good corrosion resistance, easily machinable and castable. It is protect the metal from rusting and looking new longer. Now application of munch metal: shipbuilding. It is used for propeller fittings, bearings, bushing due to its corrosion resistance and strength. Architectural application: it is used for decorative features such as roofing, entrance, revolving door, swing door, and many others. Marine hardware: it is used for marine fittings and others hardware exposed to sea water. Bearing and bushing: munch metals low friction and durability make it suitable for bearings and bushing in various machines. Okay. Now important copper alloy gunmetal: composition, properties and application of gunmetal. Composition of gunmetal: alloy of copper Cu, tin Sn and zinc Zn typically contain 88% copper, 10% tin and 2% zinc. Now properties of gunmetal: it is highly strength and wear resistance. Gunmetal excellent corrosion resistance mainly in sea water. Gunmetal high ductility property. Now application of gunmetal: manufacturing of gears, bearings and valves. Marine application means propeller, fittings, pumps, etc. Okay. Now important copper alloy bronze: composition, properties and application of bronze. Composition of bronze: alloy of copper Cu and tin Sn. Tin content range from 5 to 25%. Properties of bronze: it is high strength and hardness. Bronze has excellent corrosion resistance. Bronze has good thermal and electrical conductivity. Bronze has low friction and high wear resistance. Application of bronze: mainly models and statues, bearing and bushing, spring and turbine blades, and musical instrument, and many more. Okay.